Latest news on January 16th of the forest fire in California, USA. As of January 16th, at least 25 people died, of which 17 people were due to the Eaton fire, and 8 people were due to the Palisades fire. More than 12,000 structures were destroyed. The burned area reached more than 16,000 hectares. About 175,000 people were evacuated from the dangerous area.
You're looking good. Your house is not on fire, but it's... I'm here in case some embers land on it. I hope all your windows are closed.
Private forecasting firm AccuWeather estimates total damages and economic losses from the Los Angeles wildfires at between $250 billion and $275 billion. This became the costliest natural disaster in US history, surpassing Hurricane Katrina in 2005. The Palisades fire is about 19% contained. The Eaton fire is about 45% contained. President Joe Biden declared a major disaster and pledged federal assistance to California. Firefighters are continuing their efforts to control and extinguish the fires while supporting affected people. Santa Ana wines, the main factor spreading fires, have begun to decrease in intensity, creating more favorable conditions for firefighting.
Мы едем домой. О, ужас! О, ужас!
Небо черное.
Боже, сохрани нас, пожалуйста. Как? Мы только что ехали этой дорогой. Только что. Я боюсь ехать.
Скорости проедет.
У меня бенза мало. Господи, сохрани нас.
Fires in and around Los Angeles continue to rage as gusting Santa Ana winds drive the flames through brush and into neighborhoods. To major blazes, the Eaton Fire and the Palisades Fire have combined burned almost 40,000 acres since last week. Another fire, the Auto Fire, erupted Monday evening in Ventura County. The fires have killed at least 24 people. In the midst of the devastating wildfires that have raged through the Los Angeles area over the last week, thousands of residents are grappling with the fallout. From the tangible losses, more than 12,000 structures were damaged or destroyed, to the sentimental generations of memories gone. What can be even more overwhelming for victims is figuring out what to do next and how to begin to recover. Rising global temperatures, prolonged dry conditions, and extreme weather events such as Santa Ana winds are key factors in increasingly dangerous wildfires. It is necessary to strengthen international commitments and action tools to reduce emissions that cause the greenhouse effect. The forest fire disaster in California is not only a wake-up call for this region, but also a great lesson for the world in preventing, responding and living sustainably with nature. forests burn down, animals such as deer, bears, birds, and insects lose shelter, food, and reproduction. The ecosystem is disrupted. Symbiotic relationships and natural food chains are disrupted, causing many species to be at risk of extinction.